Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store with Wix.com. For those who's not familiar with Wix yet, basically Wix is a free platform that allows you to create website. And as you can see, I already have several websites right here, but I'm just going to create a new site to show you how you can make your own online store with Wix. To create your own online store with Wix, you will have to first create an account. I've already have mine, so I can just go ahead and click on create a new site. And then Wix are going to ask whether I want to build my site with the help of AI or not. And I'm just going to skip that for now. And then this is the page that we're going to see next after that. So it's going to ask what type of website do we want to create, because we want to create an online store. Obviously, we're going to click on online store. And once you click on that, a variations of options are going to pop up on the drop down menu. As you can see, there is several online store that you can choose. I'm not going to choose any category for now, so I'm just going to go ahead and click continue. And then you're going to want to wait until your site finishes loading, and then this is going to be the dashboard of your site. So the first thing that we want to do is to set up the name of the store. You can name it however you want. I am just going to name it Sunshine Jewelry for now. If you're still unsure on what you would like to name your store, you can just go ahead and click on the skip button beside the continue button, because once your store or once your site is set up, you can always customize everything in it. But I would like to just add my name here, and then it's going to ask whether we already have an online store or not. I'm just going to click on no, I'm just starting out, and then clicking continue. And over here, you are going to define what kind of product we're selling, because the product that I'm going to sell is a jewelry. It's obviously a physical product, so I'm going to go ahead and click it. Again, you can always skip any of this question if you don't want to answer it yet, because you can always alter it later. And then you're going to want to answer how are you offering your product, online store, mobile app, etc. You can go ahead and check whatever it is that you found suitable. And then over here, you can set up your site directly to the dashboard, or you can also see the templates that Wix already have. And I'm going to show you how the templates looks like. And this is the template result sections. As you can see, there are a lot of templates that you can take a look to. There are some accessory store, backpack store, gift shop, t-shirt stores, home goods stores, etc. At this part of the template, it is quite jumbled together, but if you would like to find something that is more specific, you can also choose from the selection of categories on top of the templates. You can see that there are some categories that you can choose, and again, the shop that I'm going to create is a jewelry store, so I'm going to go ahead and click on jewelry and accessories, and I'm quite interested with this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on view, because I want to see how the website will look like if I choose that template. And this is how it looks like. It looks pretty clean. I like it. It goes really well with the vibe of the store that I've had in mind. So I'm just going to go ahead and start my site from that template. All right, now that we've chosen our templates, the next thing we're going to do is to customize the overall website. And you can also ask the help of AI in the sections right here. In this AI pop-up menu, you can insert some descriptions about your shop, and then AI is going to create some of the wording in your website. Because my jewelry is a homemade jewelry, I'm just going to go ahead and insert a store that sells homemade jewelry for the descriptions. And the type of site obviously is online store, and then I'm just going to change the name of the site to Sunshine Jewelry. And then the AI of Wix are going to create the wording, such as the one in my homepage as well as on the other page. But obviously, you can always alter it again if some of the wordings are not suitable for you. You can just go ahead and change it. On the left side of the menu, you will see several buttons that you can choose for you to add some elements, add sections, add pages and menu, site design, etc. And then if you would like to edit a sections of your site, you can just go ahead and click on the sections that you would like to edit and click quick edit. As for example, I'm just going to change the site name on top of my website. So I'm just going to go ahead and click quick edit and then change the name to Sunshine Jewelry. You can also change the pictures in your website. You can do that by adding your own pictures, or right here I'm just going to try out the AI image creator. I would like my homepage to have a homemade jewelry picture. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to insert a prompt that says homemade jewelry. And then after you insert your prompt, you can choose a style on whatever pictures you want it to be. There is photo style, illustration, 3D painting, etc. I'm just going to go ahead and choose painting for now. And then once we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and click create image. Sometimes the AI will not work on the first try. Maybe it's because of your internet connection, etc. It happens to me, so I just have to redo it, and then I will just wait until my picture is made. And this is the pictures that they created for me. Obviously, using your own picture is going to be better, but let's say that you haven't had any product photography yet, but you still want to have pictures, you can definitely use this AI image maker right here to fill in the sections you haven't got the pictures of first. Once we're done with the pictures, obviously we can also change the wordings. We can change the text altogether, or we can also change the colors of the text by simply clicking on the text that we would like to edit and then click on edit text. And right here, I am pretty satisfied with the font. So what I'm doing is that I'm just going to try and find the right color that are going to match into my background, because the first color, which is white, blend with my background and I don't think it's very readable, so I'm just going to change it into this ash colors instead. To set up your product, you can go to the product page and then click on manage product. Usually Wix are going to give you some lists of product that are obviously not real. Those are just example of how your product listing will looks like. So you can definitely change any of this. All of them are definitely changeable. So to change or to edit your product, you can just go ahead and click on the triple dots on the right corner of your product list, and then you're going to click on edit product, and over here you're going to see the details of your product. So you can change the name of the product, you can also add up pictures as well as videos, and you can also add categories to your product. For example, for this website, in this template, Wix already created several categories, and because my product is going to be jewelry, I can always add up more categories. For example, right here I'm just going to go ahead and add necklace. Let's say that I want to add necklace on the sections. I can just go ahead and change the pictures, and then I can also add some tags. It says that I can add some labels, which is going to make it easier for me when I'm trying to find some product, and it's going to make the customers easier too. I can add up some details such as the price of the product and the inventory and shipping of the product. I can also choose to make my product to be pre-order if it's necessary. And then you can also settings the inventory. As you can see, here are the list of the pre-made product, and I can always choose whether my inventory is in stock or not. And I can also sell gift card as well as loyalties and referrals. And that is how you can create your own online store with Wix.com. It's very easy. Feel free to explore the other tools or the other benefits that you can enjoy with Wix.com. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.